13.8 billion years ago was the start of our universe, literally the most important event of the cosmos. Without this event, anything anyone could have known would have not existed. Now we are surrounded by a vast variety of different materials and compounds, very different from our early universe. A range of unique elements is important for complexity. Chemistry, astronomy, and life being major beneficiaries of this gained complexity.
The birth of stars, the fusion into new elements, all happen because of how elements react to heat, pressure, and other elements. The combination of the elements of the universe makes up all of the matter we know of. Valence electrons are electrons that populate the outermost orbital. Without the difference in valence electrons, none of the diversity in the universe would be possible. Atoms need their valences to have 8 or 0 electrons in order to be stable, so elements react with each other, basically trading valence electrons with one another. In this process, elements form ionic and covalent bonds, which make new molecules and chemical elements. Without the difference in valence electrons, none of the diversity in the universe would be possible.
Astronomy. Different elements are needed to sustain nuclear fusion, which is what keeps stars alive. Different elements allow for supernovae nucleosynthesis, which is the creation of elements above iron during a supernova. Different elements are important for the formation of planets. These different elements are important for magnetic fields, differing rock types, and plate tectonics.
Human life and the genetic differences in DNA. Different elements within DNA are needed to encode genetic information. The basic elements that compose DNA are 5 atoms: carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen, phosphorus, and hydrogen. The basic components include deoxyribose sugar, nitrogenous base, and a phosphate group. Emotionality is mostly hereditary. Emotionality, measured as neuroticism, introversion, or harm avoidance, is moderately to high heritability in both sexes. The serotonin transporter gene is responsible for the reuptake of serotonin from the sympathetic cleft and is a major target in the pharmacologic treatment of depression and anxiety.
Although uniformity might make your high school chemistry class simpler, without the complexity of different elements, life as we know it wouldn't exist. Not only that, stars, planets, and galaxies wouldn't exist either. DNA, stellar nucleosynthesis, and valence electrons all benefit from differences in elements of the universe.